Nice stop there on in the stoppage play. You make that header to clear the ball and
Yeah.
again help keep the game scoreless.
Yeah, I mean, tough draw for us. We obviously want the 3 points at home. Had a goal called back. Had to make a few defensive stops. I thought we played well. Next game, we need to get 3 points.
Because one thing, I guess this was the fifth really shutout of the season, so the defense has really come up big.
I think the four of us in the back have been playing very well together. I think we have good chemistry, especially with John in goal. Came up with a big save tonight for us. But overall, I think we've just been playing well defensively, not just us, the team as a whole. So I think it's been very good.
And also, this being the third game in 9 days, plus the last game having to go that extra 30 minutes, how's the defense holding up physically?
I mean, we have a lot of depth, so we're capable of having guys come in and step up and play a good game, have a good performance, and still keep that our defensive quality up, as well as guys coming in off the bench, giving us good minutes to try and get us goals as well.
And again, with another game coming up shortly, we probably should be able to keep the strong defensive play up there.
Yeah, I think we just stick together as a team. We've been playing, like I said before, we've been playing well defensively. I don't think that's an issue. I think we just have to stick together, play well as a team, and I think it'll all come together defensively.
Okay, fine,